So why exactly are we diving into TikTok ads today? Well, let me tell you, it's because this platform is blowing up in popularity and offers some really unique ad opportunities that can't be found elsewhere. First off, TikTok has over 1 billion active users worldwide, which means there's a huge potential audience for your business to tap into. Now, why should you consider running ads on TikTok? Well, it starts with the fact that TikTok is an incredibly engaging platform. People spend lots of time watching videos here and are very receptive to branded content when it's done right. Plus, since TikTok users skew younger, it's a great way to reach Gen Z consumers who are spending more money than ever before. Another key point is that TikTok ads aren't just another banner ad or pop-up. They blend seamlessly into the app experience thanks to features like in-feed video ads and branded effect stickers. This makes them feel less intrusive and more like part of the fun content users enjoy regularly. Let's not forget about the targeting options too. While TikTok doesn't have as many targeting features as Facebook yet, you can still reach people based on their interests, behaviors, and even location. It's pretty powerful when paired with its large user base. Now, if your business is trying to build awareness or generate leads, TikTok ads are a great tool for that. You could create engaging videos showcasing your products in creative ways, or use hashtags to join trending conversations. There's also the potential for virality here. Imagine an ad going viral and reaching millions of people. Lastly, TikTok ads can help you get insights into what's working and adjust accordingly. With analytics tools at your fingertips, you can track engagement rates, reach, and other metrics to fine-tune your campaigns. So there you have it. From massive user base to engaging ad formats and powerful targeting options, TikTok offers a unique opportunity for businesses looking to expand their reach and connect with younger audiences in a fun, creative way.